always say like we create places to bring lovers. I think this is actually a place to bring friends. So my name's Matt Swoboda.
I'm Scott McComas-Williams.
For me, the main motivation for opening La Salut was I feel that what's happening in the Spanish natural wine scene is the most underappreciated movement that's happening in the world at the moment. And we really want to show Sydney what they're doing. It's incredible.
Barcelona is the best place in the world, like, apart from Sydney, apart from Redfern. I just love the way of the Spanish eating, and particularly the Barcelona style of service and eating. There's some good Spanish places around, but I don't think there's anywhere that really gives everything to the Barcelona style, and I think Sydney deserved that.
So, I like to think it's a wine bar. Scott thinks it's a vermouth bar, but it is very much a bar. I suppose that's a really important part of it. It is like quick and vibrant and energetic. I think if you come here, you have to be ready to be in that atmosphere. You know, it's loud and bustling, and you should expect to sit down and be offered a vermouth straight away. And if they're smart, they should accept that, because it's like the best way to start the meal.
I thought that when I went to Barcelona, I was like, why aren't we doing this more? At the end of the day, a vermouth bar is one of the greatest places you can spend your time.
Tapas is such like an overused word in Australia, and it's something that we really shy away from using.
That word, it's an eating culture. It's a fun, going out eating culture.
But it's kind of like the only place that actually does serve something that like is very authentic to what is actually happening in places like Barcelona. There's not a single dish on the menu that would make sense as like a dish for one person to have, and I hope people like appreciate that.
Essentially, it's Catalan-inspired food. We don't have the same access to all the produce they have over there, so it's obviously a Sydney take on Catalan food. We also have access to a lot of ingredients that they don't have over there, so we're using a lot of that stuff as well.
We're so excited to be part of Redfern. I suppose like everywhere else is sort of in the sort of inner east, and it's really fun to sort of be in a place that's just like similar, but like a little bit different. I feel that like what's happening in this little pocket of Redfern is its own thing. A lot of the local clientele have really embraced having something in their neighbourhood.
No, we're super excited to be here.